By the end of this video, you will know how to remove a contact in HoneyBook. Start by logging into your HoneyBook account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu and click Contacts. This opens the area where your saved contacts are listed. If you have a long list, take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct entry before you continue, since the action you are about to take is permanent. When you find a contact you want to remove, select the checkbox next to that contact. The checkbox marks that specific person for the next action. If you are viewing several contacts at once, this is the point where it helps to pause and confirm that only the intended contact is selected. The selection should be visible in the list, and the page will usually update to show available actions for the item you chose. After the contact is selected, move to the action bar and click Delete. This tells HoneyBook that you want to remove the selected contact from your account. Once you click Delete, HoneyBook will not remove the contact immediately. Instead, it will display a confirmation message so you can review the action before it is finalized. Read the confirmation message carefully. This message is there to make sure you are deleting the correct contact and that you understand the removal is permanent. If anything in the message does not match what you intended, stop here and return to the contact list rather than continuing. If the message does match the contact you want to remove, you can go ahead with the final confirmation. To permanently remove the contact, click Delete One Contact. This is the final action in the process. After you click it, HoneyBook will complete the deletion and remove that contact from your list. Depending on your connection or account activity, it may take a brief moment for the change to appear, but once the page updates, the contact should no longer be listed. This process is useful when you want to keep your contact list current and remove entries that you no longer need. The main thing to remember is that the final delete confirmation is the point where the removal becomes permanent, so it is worth checking the selected contact one last time before you click. From sign-in to final confirmation, the path stays the same each time. Open Contacts from the left-hand menu, select the checkbox next to the right contact, choose Delete from the action bar, review the confirmation message, and then click Delete One Contact. Following those exact actions removes the selected contact without changing anything else in your contact list. The selected contact has now been permanently removed from HoneyBook.